The follower depressor for the Model 1917 rifle is used to hold the follower down, clear the bolt, so that the rifle may be used for training purposes in simulating fire. It comprises the top plate, wings, and finger notch. To install, the follower is forced down and the depressor is slipped into the magazine edgewise above the follower. It is then turned so that the edges engage under the sides of the magazine opening in the receiver. Since the top plate is troughed, full clearance for the movement of the bolt is given. To remove the depressor, it is pushed down and tipped laterally by inserting the point of a bullet in the finger notch. When so tipped, it will be lifted out of the magazine by the follower. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. If you would like to support the channel, a link to our Patreon page is in the description. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.